Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial on how to use some of the basic functions of Excel that we just recently learned how to use in class. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. So the first thing you'll notice is that Excel is divided into tabs. Those tabs are divided into groups, and those groups have functions inside them. These functions are everything we use to format the data inside the software. By clicking on the header of every column and on the header of every row, you'll notice that you're able to select the whole row and the whole column. Equally, if you want to select a cell, you just click on it. If you want to select multiple cells, you can just click and drag your mouse across. And if you want to select multiple cells in different locations of the spreadsheet, click and drag your mouse while you press the Control key. If you want to make any column wider or narrower, all you need to do is place the mouse between the column headers and click and drag. Excel has formulas. What I'm about to show you is one of the most basic ones that will help us add up all the values that we have in a certain row to a certain cell. To indicate to Excel that we want to add all the values for the purple team, what we have to do is click on the cell where we want the final result to be added up. We have to type an equal sign to let Excel know that this is going to be a formula. After that, we type sum because it's going to be an addition. Then we open up a parenthesis and we type in first cell that we're going to add up. After adding a semicolon, we type the last cell that will be added up. Finally, we close the parenthesis and press enter. And our formula is now complete. Now, let's add borders to our chart. All we have to do is select our chart. There we will find the function for adding borders. Now, let's say we have to type something long inside one of the cells and it just doesn't fit. All we have to do is select the cell with the information that does not fit and click on Wrap Text. Now I'm gonna select our chart, click on Format Painter, and click on our new cell to format it just like we did the chart. We can also use some of the styles that are found in the Styles group in the Home tab to point out some values that might be negative or some that might be positive. Let's say we want to add a title to our chart, but we don't want it to be just in one single cell. We want it to be in the whole cell on top of the chart. What we can do is select all the cells on top of the chart and click on Merge Cells. This will make all the cells we selected one single cell, and now we can format the title as we want to. We can increase the height of the cell by increasing the height of the row. We can also bold the text with the cell still selected, increase the size of the font, bold it, and add some color to it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was really short. I couldn't show my face because my computer is not that good and it's kind of hard for it to handle like showing my face while I use a program. So yeah, that's why I couldn't show my face while I did the tutorial, but it was my tutorial. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.